Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be taking a step-by-step approach to solve a specific front-end mentor challenge. The challenge that I've chosen for this video series is a multi-step form. So I'll be taking you through different tech stacks that I've used within this video such that everything is pretty much ready and set up in a scenario where you'll be ready to program. So to give you an overview, we'll be utilizing Next.js with TypeScript and Tailwind CSS, and we'll be installing necessary dependencies, and we'll be using some of the key tools such as ESLint, Pretty to make the configurations and the process of coding a lot easier. So we'll be utilizing Next.js website to create a new project. You can go into this website, and on the doc sections you'll be seeing how to do an installation. So we'll be using this command to create Next.js project. So we'll be selecting yes on the TypeScript and the Tailwind CSS itself. We'll be using app router, and we won't be using the SRCs. So with that, the next step would be to install Prime React, which we have utilized in this project. So this is a UI suite for React.js where it has got different components within themselves, such as some input fields and everything, which are ready to go. Adding on to that, we'll be using Tailwind CSS such that it will help us create a responsive web design. So briefly explaining you the use case of Prettier in this scenario would be it will help us within the code. If we look through, it will help us to arrange the Tailwind CSS classes, so it will be a lot more understandable when we work in the real world scenarios such that the standards are maintained. Besides that, let's give a quick look through our folder structures here. We have the app folder, of course, within the Next.js, which is one of the important folders. We have components, we have context, and we have some public and styles folder. Not to forget, we have some Tailwind configurations files and on the package JSONs, where we have all the respective dependencies that we'll be utilizing. As you can see, we have Prime Reacts going along here, we have Prettiers, and we have Tailwind and TypeScript with ESLint configured for this project. So within the app folder here, if we look into it in a brief manner, you will be seeing the main page.tsx with different form components. We have a specific components folder where we have each specific components. If I explain you with a picture here, such that the components here could be an input field, which could be utilizing in that components folder, or could be a button or something else. So with that, we have another folder which is context, where we have different form data context that will be utilized within the project. So all these informations while using forms are necessary. So I'll be explaining to you that in a while in the video. Other than that, the public folder, of course, contains just the basic images that are required, and the styles have the global styles where we have initialized Tailwind, CSS, and everything. So this is a complete stage that will reach at the end of the project, where you'll be having a similar folder structure to guide you through to complete this project. In the next video, we'll be going through each of those folders in much more detail and give you a quick step-by-step process of how to tackle the specific challenge that we have taken. a multi-step form for this scenario. So keep you guys posted and see you in the next video. Thank you.